YouTube, this is Stephanie. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming to you today with a in the fitting room try on haul. I decided to go to Target and see what they had new. It seems like they're doing such a better job expanding their plus size line, and I even noticed they moved it a little bit more inboard, so I'm not like on the corner across from the home section where the quilts are. I was like, we have been promoted. But anyway, I'm gonna insert some footage of me going into Target and walking around and that kind of stuff, just a little bit. And then there's gonna be some dressing room footage as well. I couldn't talk on every shot because I was trying on like different things, because you know when people walk in, kids are yelling blah blah blah, can't. So that being said, I'll be right back and I will let you know the items that I selected, so stay tuned. Hey you guys, okay, I am in the Target parking lot. I look a mess. We had a shoot this morning and it was hot still here in Georgia in the fall. But so my hair is up in a ponytail. It's a hot mess. It's curled up and everything. But anyway, I don't know if you can see. Can you see? Can you see? No, you can't. Well, we're in front of Target and we're gonna go in and see what they have in this plus size section. So stay tuned. Fits. It's a cute top, but too snug here. But it's cute. I get it in the size up. Plain Jane tee. This bra is not serving me today. Plain Jane tee, cute. I'm gonna layer a duster over it. I think that's actually a cute work outfit. Usually not a fan of crew necks, but this is all right. top is just not doing it. Already chunky in the middle. Well, this is doing me sideways favors, but not this way. But the jeans are cute. They're by Universal Thread. You can see the distressing. My knee's hurting, so this is as high as I can go. There you go. I think we'll like this next top better. I don't know if I like this print color on me. That's kind of cute. I feel like this color looks better on my darker girls. You know, I got caramel undertones, so. But it's not that. That's cute. I need some control right here. I don't like this, but it's there. I'm gonna ride with it. Not with these jeans. Maybe some blue jeans. But I like this. But I like the V-neck. Better bra. Tummy control. It's kind of cute. That's a look. What you think? That's all, folks. Okay, you guys, I'm back. And I got a few things. Not much. A few things. But I'll let you guys see it in a formal haul. I can't talk today for whatever reason. But yeah, I just got a few things. Only one thing out of what you saw in the dressing room, actually. I saw, you know how you go out the dressing room and magically other things appear? They were there the whole time. You just didn't see them. Yep, that's me. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'll do a haul and I'll try to style those items that I did purchase. I'm on your girl's on a budget, so we didn't buy much this time, but we'll see how it works. That being said, I will talk to you later. Bye. Okay, I am back, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the footage. Like I said, it was minimal, a little bit, and this is my first try-on haul, so you guys just bear with me. I'm gonna get better at this. It is so nerving vlogging in public and filming because you get people in the shot who really. I had this one lady who was kind of like hovering, and I'm like, "What are you doing?" She didn't work there. It was just a lady in pushing a shopping cart. I'm like, "You just being nosy." But then, you know, everybody doesn't want to be in your shot. I'm not trying to shoot anybody else, so I'm gonna get better at this one day. Bear with me. So anyway, the first item I wanted to show you were these mules. I wore them for the try-on portion that I'm going to do at the end. I'm going to show you how I kind of did some outfits out of these pieces. So I got 3 pieces. The first item on these mules, and they're by Universal Thread. And they have some really cute stuff, you guys. But they are a really pretty pumpkin spice color, and they're in a faux suede. It says Rust Brooklyn. That's the color, I'm assuming. Or Brooklyn is the style and Rust is the color. But they have this really pumpkin spice coloring to it, and it is so pretty. And it's a faux suede. I think it's faux suede. Let me make sure. Yeah, it's faux suede. But it looks really nice and luxe, and they are so comfortable. I got a size 11. I'm generally a 10.5 to 11, so I would say these are true to size. They have a little bit of a gusset right there for if you have a slightly wider foot, as do I. But they're really cute, so I wanted to show you guys those. First, I'm gonna put these away. Okay, so let's see. The first clothing item I got was this blouse. I thought it was so cute. It's by AVA and VIV. It's a crepe material. Crepe is like almost a blouse material, but really textured, if you don't know what that terminology is. It has a cute keyhole back with a gold button. Has a few little pin tucks for a pleated effect in front. And I love the fact that the sleeves have this bell quality, but not. You can see the way the hole is placed on the sleeve. So it's really cute, and it drapes the arms really nicely. It also has a shirt tail hem. So it's really flattering for those girls like us who are curvy. It flatters our figure, especially if you have a little bit more midsection. It gives you that rounded effect on the bottom, so it kind of brings you in just a little bit. And it looks awesome when it's tucked in the front and kind of hanging out the back. It looks really cute like that. So that's that. Like I said, it's by AVA and VIV. I got a 3X because your girl over here is busty. It is $24.99, so not bad. And I really like this. It'd be perfect for me to wear to work. And I styled it for you guys. So I did add a coat from H&M. I love that coat. Oh my God. And that coat comes like to right here, and you actually put your sleeves into it. So these sleeves can kind of peekaboo out the bottom of the coat. And then I added some knee-high, a little bit. They're slightly over the knee boots from Just Fab 2 seasons ago. I think they're Kylie. I'll put it down in the description box below. You might can find it. I'm not sure if they brought them back this year, because they did bring them 2 years in a row. And the purse is by Arcadia. It's an Italian handbag. I got that from Marshalls. So thought that was a cute outfit. And of course, I'm wearing these basic blue jeans that I'm wearing now. Just scoop them up from Marshalls because I work there. Duh. Might as well get stuff when they're on sale, right? Yeah. The second item, the third item, I got is this really pretty sweater by AVA and VIV. And the reason I picked this out, because your girl doesn't wear a lot of color. So I figured, why not do some color this time? As you can see in the footage, I didn't even try on this sweater. The first one I tried on, and it was too tight. The blouse was too tight in the bust area, so I had to go jump up a size. Target, in my opinion, their sizes can be funny sometimes. I think they should get some more fit models. It would help out a lot. But this one I saw on the sales floor, and I was like, okay, this is really cute. Look how the sleeves are. They have like that, like a slight bell, and it comes in at the wrist. It's a really flat sweater material right here, but there's ribbing on the arm, so it has a little bit of texture change, which is nice. It's an acrylic blend, I am sure. Let's see. I would have to look that up. But like I said, it's by AVA and VIV. The color is turquoise, and it's $24.99. So I thought that was a really cute sweater. When I first tried it on, I tried on a 3X because I had to do the 3X in the top. But that being said, it was a little bit too loosey-goosey, and it didn't have any shape on me. So I did go down to a 3X, so it kind of skims my body a little bit more. Because when I get heavier, I get middle heavy. So basically, that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment below if you would like to wear any of these pieces. What's your favorite outfit? I hope you like the way I styled it and gave you some kind of suggestions, because I know sometimes things hanging on the rack, you can't translate that in your head. But when you get home, add a few pieces. Oh yeah, with this one, of course I wore with the shoes, but the bag was from Just Fab too. I don't think they have that anymore, but if I can find it, I would definitely link it down below. That being said, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Oh, and one more thing. My website, luxpluslife.com, is back in motion. Yes. It took me a minute. I had to move from one platform to the other, for business reasons. And it's back alive, so please head over to my website, www.luxpluslife.com, and subscribe. And that's also my social media handles, at luxpluslife. Blog is Instagram, and then you can find me on Facebook and Twitter. Just use Lux Plus Life and you will find me, my darling. And that's it. I'll talk to you later. Bye, loves.